Good morning from Plant-Based Dallas. This is Diane. Just wanted to tell you all what I did with some Pluots and Plums that I found on sale yesterday at Natural Grocers. I washed them and put them in the Instapot for 2 minutes, let them cool completely, took all the seeds out. I probably had about 16 to 20 fruits, and then I added some fresh squeezed lemon juice and a few dates, put them in the blender, and we have the most delicious fruit puree that I'm going to freeze in small containers. It can be sauces for cakes, pancakes, bread, jam, whatever you want. Deliciousness. Y'all should try this. Bye.